Hello everybody. This week we're going to be working on area and perimeter, and the first lesson is going to focus on finding a missing side with the area or perimeter given. So for example, for this rectangle, I know that the area is 18 square feet and I know that the width is 3 feet. I need to find the length. So I need to remember my formula for area. Length times width is area. So 18 square feet, and the width is 3. So I know 6 times 3 is 18. So the missing length is 6 feet. Here, this is actually a square. I can already guess at what it's going to be. But just to model the process again. And the reason we say square again with area is because it is 2 dimensions. So the length is 4 feet. 4 times 4 is our width. So our missing side is 4 feet. All right. Now when we talk about perimeter, that is adding all sides. So for this, a rectangle, I know it has 4 sides, and it's 84 foot in length. I don't use the number 2 or the word square because it's only 1 dimension. So it equals 48 feet. Now the length, there's actually 2 of them. So 6 and 6. What that means is I have 12 currently. So what I'm going to do is subtract the 12 in length that I know about so far to see what I have left. 8 minus 2 is 6, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Now I have to divide that in half because I have 2 sides that I'm working with. Now remember, you are more than welcome to use your calculator, or if you can mentally figure it out, that's fine too. So 18 feet is a missing width. And we can double check it. Eight plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 2 more is 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the missing width is 18 feet. Hold on, I'm wiggling the camera. See if I can get it still. All right, let's try that again with the square. All right, so I know that the width is 8 inches on each side. These two equal 16 inches. So I'll subtract that from the perimeter. That means I have 16 inches that are still part of the perimeter, but I'm going to divide it by 2 because I have 2 sides. And so 8 inches is the missing length. And it makes sense, it's a square, so all sides should be the same length. All right. This first task says the perimeter of a square is 220 square inches. What is the area of the square? So we know that a square is all equal sides. Oh, sorry about that, guys. That's a typo there. So I'm going to divide it by 4 because I know all sides of a square are equal. 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 5 is 20. So I know that all of the sides are 55 inches. And like I said again, feel welcome to use your calculator. This isn't an exercise in dividing and multiplying, but rather using what we know with perimeter and area to help us find the opposite. All right, so area is length times width. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 5, 25, plus 2 more is 27. I'm going to annex the 0, because now I'm multiplying by tens. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 2 is 27. Sorry, this is like really crooked, but I'm trying my paper not to be so crooked for you. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10. So the area is 3,025 square inches. All right, here it says the area of a small park is 550 feet. The length of the park is 22 feet. What is the width of the, oh boy, I got too many typos this week. Park, all right? So again, we know that length times width gives us the area. So they gave us the length as 22 feet. All right, so I'm going to divide to find out the missing factor. All right, 22 times 2 is as close as I can get. And then I believe it's going to be 5. Let me just double check it. Yep. So I can use division to find the missing width. All right, be sure to complete the practice problems before the assessment. Good luck.